second. And also, like as I go through, I'll leave a few segments just between each one, just makes it easier for them later on.
Yeah, cut it up.
Alright, so first one. So tell us a bit about yourself. Like before meeting Infinite Wealth, what did your financial future look like?
So before I went to Infinite Wealth seminar, most of my finances were into the stock market, and I basically was just playing around with money, didn't really know much about what I was doing.
Yeah.
And yeah, I basically found Infinite Wealth from looking around to see what I could do with this bit of extra money that I had putting away each week.
Yeah.
And I didn't really have much of a plan at that point.
Yeah, okay, gotcha. Just sort of winging a bit, were you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. It's good. And what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
So by going to Tim's seminar, I learned a lot about basically strategies of how to use that money more effectively than previously, whereas it was kind of just me playing around, and then I thought this is a good way to do some long-term planning that I wouldn't have otherwise known about.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, understood. Sounds like give you some sort of direction and a goal to meet rather than just hit and hope.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, cool. And what's been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
So it's been very positive. You've led me through a whole bunch of information about different strategies and basically learning a whole bunch about different strategies, and now I've got an investment property that has been rented up in Queensland, and it's very providing a good source of income now, so it's not costing me that much, and paying for itself, and I think the biggest benefit of working with you guys is that you spend the time to go through those few informational sessions, and making sure I was like taking all the different finance parts into my head, and helping me understand all those different aspects.
Yeah, cool. And you went up to the area, right? You took a quick look there.
Yeah, I went up in February and had a look around the area, and it was a really good build. Like I missed the inspection, but I got there after that and had a look around, and it was a really high quality. The builder was really nice to let me in, and he was really friendly and let me through it, and it looked like a really nice place to live, so it's great.
Awesome. And how does your financial future look now?
So we just gone through some numbers, and the property is performing quite well, better than we planned for, which is always good to have there, and I think that the long-term strategy is in place and heading forward quite well.
That's good. Would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family?
I have, and yes, I have, and I've already recommended one friend, and actually I think two friends. So far, it's been a really good experience all around.
Awesome.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thank you.